Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable auto-converting to tag and what it does in the notes on iPhone. Today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.5.1, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So, first of all, let's open Notes and show you how auto-converting to tags works, because I have now this feature on, so let's type in any note. As you can see, we have two notes right here, so maybe let's pick this one, and then let's write a tag, so hashtag, maybe I'm going to write a car. And now, as you can see, it is a little bit lighter, not the black one but the gray, the color of the letters. And now if I press space, as you can see, we do have a tag right now. So if you don't want to have auto tagging, you want to go open settings, swipe down, tap on notes, then swipe down again, and below the viewing section and app links you have tags, so the option auto convert to tag. Now as you can see, it was on, now it is off. So now let's see if this is going to work. Another note and type hashtag HardReset right now maybe. As you can see, it is not automatically tagging it. So now let's turn on this feature again because I want to have it on. And let's see if it works. As you can see, it works just right. So again, how to get to the setting: open settings, swipe down, click on notes, swipe down again, tags, auto convert to tag, on and off, on and off. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!